Hi everyone. Maybe the reason that you haven't sent this in yet is because you're intimidated by making a slideshow. So I'm going to do this practice one for you to make it easier. I did send to YouTube, but he said a lot of things that you didn't need to know. Okay, first of all, you find your picture or maybe your initials. Make sure that it's under your kernhigh.org Google and not your personal Google. Then right next to it, you'll see 9 dots. Some people call it a waffle. You click on that and you go down to slides. If yours isn't right here, maybe it's way down. You'll just have to find it. I use it a lot, so it's right here. Slides. And then you'll see blank. Start a new presentation, blank. And the very first thing you should do is title your presentation. Power of One, and then I want you to put your name. Your name, don't put the words name. Okay, then you go to slide and apply layout. I'm going to put this down a little bit just a sec so you can see all the different types. Slide, apply layout. Do you see how you can do a picture and then underneath some writing, just some writing? Ooh, you could put 2 pictures in here. You can put whatever, it's just the setup. So you could put pictures, you could put writing, wherever. You could also, do a blank one, like I just did. So I'm going to go back, slide, apply layout. Let's do this one. Okay, I also want to change the background. Slide, change background, and I just want to add a little color. I usually do all the slides and then I go and add all the color, but I'll show you right now. Oops, lost it. So you could change the color and then you have to put done. Done. Back again. Now I'm going to slide, change background. Now I'm going to add an image. Change background, choose image. If you've saved the image on your Google Drive, you can get it here. But if you haven't yet, then you go to Google Images and you type in what you want to find. So I'm going to do Gandhi. Now, all of you are going to do Gandhi, right? Okay, please don't. Gandhi. And then I press enter. And I'm going to get some images. So I'll put an image of when he was older. So I go click, click, done. Oh, you know what? I put him as my background again. Okay, I don't want him as my background. I'll fix him later, but I'll show you how to make a new slide. I could put Gandhi. I could type whatever I want over here. I can change the color of the font by highlighting it and then just changing it. Okay, I can change the background back. If I made a mistake, go to slide, change background. Remember I said choose image. Maybe I just want a more simple background. Now you don't have to have any background at all, but at least a color would be nice. So that's going to change in a minute. I'm going to do a new slide. So I just clicked on new slide. The background changed. Slide, new slide. So this one, I want to type my stuff. I want to type something here. Now please, please, please do not copy and paste from the internet. I want it in your words. I can look your person up and read the internet. I want you to read it, think, put it in your own words, and type it here. Okay? Type, type, type. However you want to do it with that. But I do want it in your own words. If you're using these big fancy words and you sound professional, I know that you just copied and pasted. Okay, this is what I like to do. I like to have, let's see, slide, apply layout. Let's say I want this one. And then look over here. I'm either going to push enter, 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 enter. See how I set myself up for a lot of different slides? Or I can do slide, duplicate, slide, duplicate. So now I'm ready with a bunch of slides. Okay. Did we do how to change the background color? Yes, we did. Oh, here's a good one. Let's say you put a picture in here. So I'm going to go slide. Let's say I don't want the picture in the whole background. I just want it in this little area. So I insert image. I can either upload it from my computer or I can search the web. So search the web, and then Google comes over here to your right. Let's say you want Gandhi as a child. And so I click, click twice. But as you see, it's taken up the whole thing. So you need to see the thing that looks like a star. It has 4 points. This is to drag it. Maybe I want it to the left. Maybe I want it to the right. But to resize it and make it smaller, you have to put it to any corner. Look, there's a little box, and it changes to an arrow, and then you click it and slide. And then maybe you can't see this, but it's going down. Look, see? So I want to wait till it's an arrow. Right there, this is moving it. But this one, arrow, makes it smaller. Then I get that star back, and I move it, and then I'm good. Then maybe I can write to the side. Insert text box. Ooh, you didn't see that. Just a minute. Let me show you. So under insert, there's text box. And then we can move it over there. We can do our typing. Move that. If you have this and you didn't choose to put anything up there, it does not show in your slideshow. So you might delete this 1,000 times. It's still going to come back, but it doesn't show in the actual slideshow that you give me. And once you're finished with your slides, you can have them right here. Ooh, you might want to say, oh man, I want this one down here. So just click, drag, lift up. See that? Maybe I want this one down here. Click, drag, lift up. Okay? So I hope that you've learned a lot and you're not so intimidated. After you're finished, please proofread. And you have spell check. So let's look at that. There should not be any misspelled words because you have spell check. Look, tools and spelling. Spell check. Obviously that's misspelled. I did that on purpose, but please use that. You can look at it over here. Change it to whatever. They're going to suggest things. You either accept it or ignore it. Okay, when you're finished and you've proofread it, then you'll see this share button, blue share button. So click it, and it says, who do you want to share it with? You're going to type my name, Linda underscore Colvin at kernhigh.org. And then you're going to say done. And it shows up in my email. Don't keep sending it to me just because you think it didn't go through. When I get it, I'll say thank you for sending this to me or something so that you know. Okay, I hope that helps you and you're not so intimidated. Remember, everything's due Wednesday before midnight. Thank you.